Hi, it's Romonica Plachette, your video and marketing strategist. And in this episode, we're going to be talking about how to create a Zoom link with a twist. That's right. I'm going to introduce to you a software that you've probably never heard of. It's called Luma. Luma actually integrates with Zoom and it makes setting up meetings and sending reminders to your people so seamless. And you definitely want to stay tuned to the end because there is a bonus piece of content that you don't want to miss. Let's go ahead and get right into the screen share so that I can show you how to get this set up so that your people never ever miss a Zoom meeting again. And it's super easy. Set up a Luma account. It's lu.ma. And guess what? There is no cost to set up a Luma account. They do have features where you can pay, but you can do everything that you need to do for the free $99. So let's scroll up and take a look at this page. So Luma is an event management software. Specifically for this video, we're going to be talking about how you can actually use it to manage your Zoom events. You can also create Zoom events inside of Luma once you've connected Luma to your Zoom account. We're going to come over to events. Once you click events, you'll come here to create an event. You'll be able to customize the banner. I'm going to key in a title. All right, so you definitely have to name your meeting, and this is where it gets good. Once you open up your Luma account, you will want to connect your Zoom. Once your Zoom is connected for all subsequent meetings, you will simply be able to allow Luma to create a new Zoom meeting for you. If you need to connect a existing Zoom meeting, you're able to do that, which would be the second tab. Or you can set a meeting up manually in Zoom that would connect to Luma. Again, the beautiful thing about this is that your people are going to get notifications. My show up ratio for meetings has dramatically increased. I won't say 100%, but gosh darn, somewhere really close to the like 85% range, simply because they're getting notifications. And I'm going to show you that. Now, if you need to set up virtual meetings or in-person meetings, you can also do that. And if you guys want me to go into that, I can do that in another video. But for today, let's keep going. So this is a single event or it's a series. You would key in your dates and your times. You're able to also set the duration. Now, here's where it gets good. You can require that people register so you know who at least registered for the meeting or not. Simply click it if you just want people to be able to sign up. But if you want to capture the data, click this box. And then all you have to do is click Create Event. Now that your event has been created, you are literally set to go. I want to show you this really quick because this is a commonly asked question. Now, where is the link that I need to share? It's right here. And it's right here. So this is the link that you would need to click to share with your people. What's super cool is you could share this out to Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, okay? You can also text this out or copy it to a clipboard and share it out in an email or however you would need to. Speaking of email, you are also able to upload a CSV file so that everyone on your list gets the email, okay? Now, I will tell you that if you are on the free version, I think there is a limit on how many people you can actually send an email out to using this, but you can always send it out through one of the social platforms or capture the link here or here and just send it out the way that you would normally send out your Zoom notifications, okay? It will list here who's the host of the meeting, co-host, so people know who's coming. You can decide if you want to share this list or not. You can show the guest list or not. Again, super cool features. You can also enable the chat. Let's go up. This is where it gets good. Okay, this is where everything is detailed out, where you actually schedule the meeting. Now you can see I've connected this, so you can see the Zoom meeting, the Zoom ID, the password, date, everything is right here. Okay, If this is a free event, leave it as free. If it's paid or you're doing crypto, all of that, listen, we'll talk about that in another video. But today I want to show you how to get this set up, okay? If there's a max amount of people that can attend, you want to cap and turn these features on as well. Now, this is the part that's so freaking amazing. This is how you get people to actually show up. These are already preset, okay? So they're going to get a notification 1 hour before it starts, 5 minutes before it starts, and then when everything is over, they're going to get a thank you for joining and can you leave us some feedback. If you want to capture questions, you're able to do that, and you'll be able to get insights from who registered, who attended, and so much more. So again, it's easy to see why you want to incorporate Luma into your Zoom meeting system. If you are scheduling Zoom meetings for anything, you need Luma, period. Stay tuned for the next video. If you have questions, make sure that you drop them below. Take care. See you on the next video.